So for this weekend trip, we are going to go to Kasol. It's around 2 hours drive from here, and we are going to go by car. We'll spend the weekend there, and if possible, we'll also explore Tosh. So we have had our breakfast, and we are going to start now. On the way, we'll be showing you all the views and the road conditions and drive from here to Kasol. इस तरफ है?
हाँ ये इसी पे
So we are all set to leave now. Let's go. मनाली से कसोल is approximately 80 kilometers and कसोल से तोश का distance is 20 kilometers. तो अभी हम मनाली से भुंतर जाएंगे which is in कुल्लू district. And from Bhuntar we'll take a diversion which will take us to the road to Kasol. The sun is up and about, which makes today a perfect weather for our drive to Kasol. We are Wacky Chronicles, and this vlog is about our experience in Kasol and hopefully Tosh. तो हम अभी रास्ते में हैं कसोल के. यहाँ पे 2 मिनट का क्विक स्टॉप ले रहे हैं. जो हमारे साथ भैया आए हैं ड्राइव करके, उनको ब्रेकफास्ट करना था, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा वेट कर रहे हैं. ये वैसे हमारे होटल के जो मैनेजर हैं, उनका यहाँ पे राफ्टिंग का काउंटर है. तो हम थोड़ा बातें कर रहे हैं, थोड़े से चाय पियेंगे इधर और फिर निकल पड़ेंगे कसोल की ओर. यहाँ से आई थिंक 40 किलोमीटर्स है और हमें शायद 1 या फिर 1.5 घंटा लग जाएगा वहाँ जाते जाते. भुंतर पहुंचने के बाद एक लेफ्ट डाइवर्जन आता है जहां से कसोल मणिकर्ण का रोड शुरू होता है. After taking the diversion from Bhuntar, you can see a distinct change in the views as well as the roads. The roads get narrower and the views more spectacular. The whole town of Kasol sits on the banks of the beautiful Parvati River in the Parvati Valley. तो ऑन द वे टू कसोल हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ब्रेक के लिए रुके हैं. बहुत अच्छा स्पॉट था, तो थोड़ा सा फोटोग्राफी कर रहे थे एंड फोटोज खींच के अभी हम फिर से निकलेंगे. तो आज हमारा तोश जाने का भी प्लान है. देखते हैं वो प्लान होता है कि नहीं होता है. तो लेट्स गो. Kasol is known as the mini Israel of India, as Israeli tourists come here for a long staycation.
For this reason, you can find a lot of cafes with the Israeli vibe serving delicious Middle Eastern breakfast platters. It's also known as a backpacker's paradise as this little town serves as the base for Kheer Ganga and Malana trek. तो हमारा प्लान ये था कि we would brunch in one such cafes which was reviewed best in Google, the Moondance Cafe.
Searching for something that ain't lost.
We had a good time with good food and can say that the reviews are not wrong.
We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better.
Next, we started for Tosh via Manikand Sahib. Compared to the roads till Kasol, you can see a significant shift in the conditions of the road till Tosh. काफी off-roading involved था and we reached Tosh by 3 p.m. पहली लुक में हमें इंस्टेंटली तोश पसंद तो नहीं आया, बट व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड टू मेक आवर वे इनटू द विलेज, हाइक्ड एंड सर्च्ड फॉर आवर अकोमोडेशन, वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. We started liking the whole vibe to the place, and by the time we finalized our stay, we were in love with this little village.
हाँ ये इसी पे
बहुत अच्छा हम चला वहाँ पे. कहाँ से भाई जी?
हम लोग मनाली से आए.
मनाली.
We are in Tosh right now, and this is the view from our room. तो पहले हमारा प्लान सिर्फ कसोल का था, क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं था कि हम तोश तक आ पाएंगे या नहीं आ पाएंगे, बिकॉज़ हम काफ़ी लेट निकले थे मनाली से. वी रीच्ड कसोल अराउंड 12:30. वहाँ पे हमने लंच कर लिया और फिर कसोल से तोश वाया मणिकर्ण आते हैं और इट्स अराउंड 15 to 20 किलोमीटर्स. गाड़ी नीचे पार्क करनी पड़ती है एंड यू हैव टू लाइक हाइक योर वे टू द तोश विलेज. यहाँ पे आके हमने अकोमोडेशन यहाँ पे आके ही हमने ढूंढना शुरू किया, बिकॉज वी डिडंट नो कि हमें रहना है या नहीं है. वी वर थिंकिंग दैट इफ़ वी डू नॉट गेट एनी स्टे विल गो बैक टू कसोल एंड स्टे देयर. बट लकीली हमें ये अकोमोडेशन मिल गया एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छा रूम है एंड यहाँ से व्यू तो बहुत अमेजिंग है. दो जिंजर लेमन हनी टी हो गया, एक मिल्क कॉफ़ी और एक चिकन मोमो.
Drive the same roads every day. we both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together.
खाना कैसा था इधर?
बहुत मस्त था, एकदम घर जैसा लगा. थुक्पा, शाकशुका, फ्राइज, सब बहुत अच्छा था. अभी का टेम्परेचर -4 ऐसा कुछ है, तो वी आर हरिंग टू आवर रूम जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वार्म लगेगा हमें. बट अभी तो एकदम फ्रीज हो रहे हैं. Good morning, guys. So it's 10 o'clock now, and we are going to leave our hotel and go back to Kasol. So here, wherever we are staying in Tosh, it's called the Tosh Regency. I'll give you a quick room tour of what the hotel was like. We have packed up, so the room is in a mess, but I'll still show you the how the room looks like and what's the view is like. So that's the room you enter. The washroom is here. That's the bed. So that's where we stayed last night. Kasol, being a little commercial with some posh and cool cafes, Tosh on the other hand gives a complete local vibe of Himachal. While walking down the Tosh village, you will notice that even with the influx of tourists and despite being a popular destination for backpackers and trekkers, this village is untouched by urbanization, and the people here live a quaint, slow-paced life. And believe me, it's this thing that makes Tosh all the more special to visit. ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक और दिन का स्टे होता तो मज़ा आ जाता. इन कैफ़ेज़ को देख के ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक एक कप कॉफ़ी और हो जाए. वीकेंड खत्म तो हो चुका था, पर मन अभी भरा नहीं था. पर टाइम हो चुका था तोश से निकलने का एंड कसोल होते हुए मनाली पहुंचने का. This is the place where we had stayed in Kasol. It is just a walking distance away from the property. You just have to go through these pine trees and come here. It's the Parvati River flowing. It's a very beautiful property. So this place has houses, independent houses, and there are rooms in those houses. After that, there are tents as well, so you can opt for camping also. And you can stay here, you can roam around here, you can click photos here. If you want to stay here, we'll put the hotel's name in the description box and you can check the place out. You can call them and you can book or rent a camp or book a house or book a room. So it's up to you.
There are so many cafes in Kasol with such good ratings कि हमने सोचा कि on the way to Manali कसोल में ब्रंच कर लेते हैं। क्या पता दोबारा कसोल आने का मौका फिर से कब मिले। Kasol can also be called a foodie's paradise as you will get so many options of platter, burgers and sandwiches that will make you forget of all those big chains in the city.
We are back to Manali and we are back to our room. We had our coffee and we are going to relax. It was a very good trip, very beautiful scenic trip. We just came back to our hotel room and now we are very much tired because in Tosh we walked a lot, hiked a lot. It was a village and there you had to walk to get from one place to other. But it was a very good experience because Kasol हम लोग कर चुके थे and Kasol में it was normal but Tosh was a different experience for us क्योंकि village सा experience था, हिमाचली feel था, हिमाचली lifestyle देखने को मिला and वहाँ पे cafes बहुत cute होता है और वहाँ का lifestyle, वहाँ का जो daily chores होता है लोगों का वो देखने को मिला. So it was a very different experience from whatever we had before this and it was very good. We hope you have enjoyed the Kasol and Tosh vlog. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel Wacky Chronicles and press the bell icon. So stay tuned for our upcoming videos because we will share all our experiences of what we are doing in Himachal and this was one of them and more such videos will come up. So encourage us by subscribing to our channel and till then, bye.